I made Ofe Akwu. Ofe Akwu means banga soup in English. Ofe Akwu is a soup made from banga fruits. The Igbos call their own Ofe Akwu, and it's eaten with white rice. And the difference between Ofe Akwu and the popular banga soup for the Deltans, banga soup is for the Deltans, Delta State people like the Urobos, the Warri, the Ishekiris, their banga soup, they make it from palm fruits too, but the Igbos eat theirs with white rice and the Deltans eat theirs with their popular starch, or you can pair it with any swallow of your choice. So here I am making the Igbo banga soup, the Ofe Akwu. Here I am done boiling my palm fruit. You boil till it's very, very, very tender. And you add water and squeeze the whole juice. You have to squeeze everything out. If you don't squeeze it well, you won't get enough sauce for it. You won't get enough oil. So I squeezed very well and I strain it. So this is literally how you do it. Some buy the already processed banga substance. They already buy it from the stores. There are people that package it, they squeeze it this way and they package it and sell in stores. But I don't like buying those store stocked on. I like making mine from scratch so that it will give me that real banga taste, to give me that real palm fruit taste. Because if you buy the store bought on, the taste, I don't know. I haven't even tried it, but the people that tried it said it's a no-no. People I know, close people that I know that tried it, they said it's a no-no unless they can't see the banga fruits when they want to make the food. That is the only time they can go to the store and buy it. But if they can see it and if it's available where they want to prepare the meal, that nothing is taking them to the store to buy the store packed on. So I am done straining my palm fruit, and this is it. I put it on aside, and here are my ingredients. This is stockfish, dry fish for that native taste. This is my beef and intestines. This is my Kpomo. Yeah. This is my blended pepper. This is my onion. Just little onions. I didn't want too much onion in the food. And this is my scent leaf. Yeah, this is my scent leaf. This is my crayfish. And this is my seasoning cube. The best seasoning cube so far for me. So I just prepped everything and I set it aside. I like prepping anything I want to cook with so that it will be at my reach. So in my clean pot, I added my protein. This is beef and intestine. Beef and tripe. For people that don't understand what intestine is, I added my Kpomo. Yes. And I added my stockfish and dry fish. I like using this dry fish for that taste, that native taste. If you put stockfish, it's just that I didn't want it to be too. I added this for that flavor, for that native flavor. So I added my blended pepper. Added my blended pepper. added my salt. I seasoned with my salt, and I proceeded to adding my seasoning cube. Of course, my Knorr cube. Who cooks these days without Knorr seasoning cube? The best seasoning cube ever. I stirred everything together. I stirred and stirred and stirred. So for everything to incorporate into my protein, I now added water. Yeah, I steamed a little. I think I forgot that part. I steamed a little before adding the water. So I boiled my protein, and here I've already boiled the stock from the palm fruit to the quantity that I like. Then I now added my boiled protein and fish to the palm fruit sauce. I added my pepper, my blended pepper. I think I blended pepper and onion. Yeah. So I added it to my pot. I covered and allowed to cook. After adding all this, I added my crayfish. I added my crayfish and stirred. And here I'm adding my seasoning cube. This is my go-to seasoning cube. If I don't have no seasoning cube at home, I won't cook. Added my seasoning cube, and I covered, added my salts. I added my scent leaf. Actually, this scent leaf was added after I covered and allowed everything to boil to the quantity of the soup that I want. I now stirred everything together. Yeah, as you can see, it was very yummy. Like, you can boil it down to any quantity you want. But for me, this is the texture and how I want it. You see this? Yes, I ate it with white rice. It's mostly enjoyed with white rice. This is the Igbo Ofe Akwu. Yeah. Thank you and bye.